Now, root cause analysis is one of the most important thing that you need to do in your PMP preparation. If you are not doing already, guys, you are missing a lot of things. You may be doing 200 to 2000 questions, still you are not getting anywhere with your PMP preparation. But if you start doing root cause analysis, then even I can say that 200 to 400 questions can be enough for you. Now, the purpose, as the name says, root cause analysis. How you are going to that? You go to the bottom of the question, look out what is the real problem in this question. First, the first step is basically when you are solving question, get slow down. Like I'll divide it into two parts. First, solving question. Second, once the question has been solved. So once you are solving question, the step number one is to slow down. Read the question very slowly to understand what is being said in the question. Step number one, slow down. If you are watching live, do put what is the step number one. Step number two in this is basically consider each question as hybrid question. Unless there's a proper written, it's a predictive or agile question. Consider all question as hybrid question. Step number three, now that's more of a suggestion, especially for the question that are more than 3 lines. Read the last line first. Read the last line first, and then my favorite, read the options. Once you read the options, you can eliminate one option straightforward. But if you don't want to read the options, you can directly go to the question, read the question. Now, when you are reading the question, have a servant leader mentality. This is very important, very critical for PMP exam and PMP preparation. Have a servant leader mentality. Any question, any option that says direct, fire team members and things like that is never the answer. Always shelter the team, help the team, co-locate the team, train the team, communicate the team, things like that. What a servant leader does, his job is to help the team. Even it's a predictive question or it's an agile question or a hybrid question, the PMI expects project manager to be a servant leader. PMI expect that he works to shield the team, guide the team, train the team, coach the team. The PMI ATP material has a lot of material on training and coaching for this particular purpose. So go there and like consider it as a servant leader and then identify the problem. This is the most important thing in the step in this solving question. Identify the problem and see how you are going to solve this problem forever. How you are going to solve this problem forever, not just now, forever. Like one thing can be you can solve problem temporarily, the other thing can be solving problem forever. Go for where it is how you can solve the problem forever and solve into that opinion. Read the options. Now this is a very important thing, very important. Read the option, use elimination technique. Read the option, use elimination technique, go to option A. This is not the right answer. Why? You must have justification. Why this is not the right answer or why this is the right answer. Both reasons when you are eliminating why this is the right answer or why this is not the right answer. This is an important thing. Then you go to second option, again why this is the right answer or why this is a wrong answer. Option C, option D and so forward. So let's say you choose one option, you must have a justification why all three are wrong answer and why this is the right answer. This must be done. And once you are done with the question, now comes the part 2. Now you need to review those questions. This is very important, and actually this is more important than even solving the question. Once you have done the question, review the question. Okay, so reviewing the question, identify where I made mistake. If it's a wrong question, why I choose this option. Get the lesson from there. And don't try to memorize lesson in your mind or even in a hard notebook. Make an Excel file. Write down the question, maybe put down the lesson learned on the Excel file. If you want a template, I can share my template, or you can simply make a template question. This is the question, this is a lesson I learned from this, from the wrong question. Go through all the wrong question, get all the lesson. So this is one of the best way to solve the question. If you want to level up your game even in a better way and want to do PMP in a better way, the second thing is do the root cause analysis of the right question. Yes, most of the time we are confused between two options when we are solving the question and we choose one option. But when we do the root cause of the right question, we identified, okay, why this option was really the right answer. If you do that, I'm 100% sure you will be able to understand the reason behind the question. So guys, putting it into the summary, for every question you need to have a lesson, right question or wrong, what is the lesson I learned from there, and then implement it here. Have a servant leadership mentality and agile mindset, and understand the time management, 60 questions into 80 70 minutes, and I'm 100% sure you will be able to clear PMP exam. If you have any question, you can approach me at any time. I will be more than happy to share what I know. Bye bye.